Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Flutter versus native development for running applications on a real device. We will explore the initial setup process for both approaches. Flutter allows you to write one codebase for both iOS and Android, significantly streamlining development. Native development, however, requires distinct codebases for each platform, often leading to more initial setup complexity. When it comes to the development workflow, Flutter shines with its stateful hot reload feature, allowing developers to see changes almost instantly without losing application state. This significantly speeds up the iteration process. Native development typically involves longer build times and full recompilations for code changes, which can slow down the development cycle. Flutter's declarative UI also offers great flexibility. Regarding performance, Flutter compiles directly to native ARM code, delivering excellent performance that is very close to native applications. Native apps, by their nature, achieve the absolute best performance and integration with the underlying operating system. However, Flutter applications might have a slightly larger initial download size, often around 10 to 15 megabytes, compared to native apps which typically start smaller. Finally, let's consider the ecosystem and community support. Flutter has a rapidly expanding ecosystem with thousands of packages available on pub, dev, and a very active, supportive community. Native development, on the other hand, benefits from decades of established resources, extensive documentation, and incredibly mature ecosystems for both iOS and Android. Both offer robust solutions, but Flutter is catching up quickly in terms of available tools and community engagement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.